What's going on, everybody? Let's do a quick PSA on dog food. Stop feeding that shit to your animals. Cat food, stop feeding it to your animals. It's, how simple can it be? You wouldn't eat it. Why do you think they should? What do animals eat in nature? Not dog food. My dog is, I don't know, almost 12 years old. She's pit lab. She's been vegetarian for quite a while. Sometimes she dives into pescatarian and eats fish. She basically she eats what I eat. And I eat healthy. She fasts, just like animals do in nature. She doesn't go to a doctor. There's no reason for that. And she's like a puppy. And anybody to see this dog, like, how old is she? Like 2 or 3? And she's 12 almost. Why? Because I don't feed her the shit out of a bag. Could you imagine what if that was your food? Would you eat that? Just make it simple. What should dogs eat? Oh, I don't know. I mean, what would they eat in nature? Play that game if you want to. Like, there was a time that I tried the raw meat diet for the animal, and she was fine on that. But I found it just as successful for her in her spirit and her constitution and how much she enjoyed herself and how healthy she was. I mean, she's never really had any problems. Being on a vegetarian diet. She eats basically what I do. Indian food, rice here and there, beans. She eats all sorts of things that they say don't feed dogs broccoli, don't feed them this, don't feed them that. And I'm really this dog's not having a problem. Why? Maybe dogs can't eat those types of things because these studies are done on animals that are eating crude protein crap. And so they don't have digestion properly in their system, so these other things they can't digest. So if you getting into what to feed animals, well, I don't know. You'd have to, just like yourself, you'd have to clean the animal out. I do bowel cleanses on my dog. I give her probiotics sometimes. Sometimes she eats fiber blends to push out what's in her. It just depends. It really does. I just kind of go off her general behavior and how she's functioning. But very, very simple PSA here. Stop feeding your cat or dog or cat food. It's not food. It's garbage. It's trash. Eat. If you wouldn't eat it, then your animal shouldn't eat it. That should be pretty much what you're considering and how you should go about treating your animals. So have a beautiful day, everybody. We'll talk soon.